Okay, so this is worth 5 marks, right? And you've got to state whether this is rational or irrational when you simplify it. Don't look at it and think, I'm just not going to go there, I'm just going to leave it, right? Break it down. Okay, take your time on it. So, if we look here at the first bracket, here, okay, this first bit, okay, just look at the first bit, 5 root 3 all squared. That means, isn't it, you're squaring it, so you times by itself, so you got this, okay? Now, when you've got this 5 root 3 times 5 root 3, you basically times the whole numbers first, yeah? Okay, so that's the way I would go about it. You do 5 times 5. Okay, 5 times 5 is 25. And then you do the roots. Root 3 times root 3 is just 3. So you get 25 times 3, which is 75. So I've worked this out here to be 75, this bit here, right? So I'm going to have 75 there. Then we're going to take away whatever this is. So let's work out what that is. So, good thing is with square roots, right? When you multiply and you put them together, can't you? So square root of 8 times, the root of 8 times root of 10 is the same as root of 8 times 10. Exactly the same as when you divide, okay? You can put these roots together. So you can say that as root 18 divided by 2, okay? Put it under one root. And of course, 18 divided by 2 is just 9, isn't it? And then what's great is we know root of 9 is 3, isn't it? So this is 2 times 3, which is 6. So this will become take away 6 up here. On the bottom then, root 32 times root 2. Well, that would become root 32 times 2, of course, inside, which is root 64, which is just 8. Okay, so you can have 8 here. All is the case, and we're working this out. 75 take away 6 then, over 8. 75 take away 6 is 69, over 8. Okay, now it says whether it's rational or irrational. Well, it's written as a fraction, isn't it? It's written as a fraction, so it's rational. Is your answer. You could leave it like that, or you could maybe go further and say, look, 8 goes into 69 8 times. That gives me 64, so there's 5 left over 8. Okay? But the point is, you can write it as a fraction, so it's got to be rational.